What do animals eat? Introduction. There are a wide variety of animals in the living world and they eat a wide variety of food items. Regarding the type of food eaten by animals can be divided into three categories: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Herbivorous. Animals that depend only on plant for foods are called herbivorous. Animals like cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, giraffe, camel, elephant, deer, etc. depend on plants. They eat different parts of plants like green or dry grass, leaves and branches. You may have observed cows, buffaloes and camel sitting under the trees and moving their jaws. The parts of cows, mouth, jaws, teeth, tongue, etc. involved in eating its food. These animals chew food very quickly and swallow and store it in a part of their stomach. After some time, they take food material back from the stomach to the mouth and chew it again. This process is called rumination. Generally, elephants eat leaves, branches of plants, fruits, etc. Most animals live in forests. These animals live in colonies. Carnivorous. Animals that depend on other animals for food are called carnivorous, like lion, tiger, fox, wolf, etc. Finding food is one thing, but collecting or capturing it is quite another. Many animals have specialized body parts such as mouth parts, hands or feet that help them collect their food most efficiently. Every animal has its own style of getting food. They track down, collect, grab or hunt and then use various tools to take food into the mouth. Most animals feed regularly. First, they must locate food. To do this, they use a wide range of sense and smell, sight, hearing, taste and touch. Animals use some senses more strongly than others to find their food. For example, dogs. Dogs use the sense of smell. If the dog is given milk, it first sniffs it and then licks it up quickly. Like wild animals, dogs have sharp teeth. They eat food by using their sharp teeth and tongue. Dogs have strong legs to run, sharp claws to catch and sharp teeth to tear flesh. You can see sharp teeth in cats' mouth. They tear flesh of animals by using these sharp teeth. Some animals search for their food only at night because they get their food only at nights. It is very interesting to watch how a frog gets its food. A frog throws out its sticky tongue towards an insect. The insect gets stuck on the frog's tongue. Then the frog swallows. Sucking, licking, picking, chewing, peeling, swallowing are all the ways by which animals take in their food. Beaks of different birds. Being different is to make it easy to recognize them. The beaks are different because the birds eat different kinds of food. Sparrow, crow, eagle, dove, vultures would eat the same kind of food. They have strong hooked and sharp beak to tear flesh of animals. Crows and vultures. Crows that live in our surroundings usually eat waste and rotten food materials, dead animals, etc. They keep our surroundings clean in their manner. So, they are called natural scavengers. Parrot. Parrot, which eats fruits and cracks nuts, has a hooked beak. Not only the beak, they have claws to catch fruits. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers have a long and strong beak. By using this beak, they remove layers of bark and eat ants and pests which lie under the bark. Crane. Crane has a long beak to catch fish in water. Hummingbird. The hummingbird sucks nectar, has a long thin beak. Ducks. Ducks also have teeth in their beaks. They are not useful in grinding food. They act as filters to get food from water. Leeches. When we walk on the banks of ponds, canals, etc., we can see leeches, snails, earthworms, etc. People in rural areas, while rearing cattle near water, find leeches on the skin of animals. Leeches stick on the skin and suck the blood of cattle as well as humans. They have special structure called suckers in their mouth to do this. Snails and earthworms. Snails and earthworms also suck something from the ground. Lion, tiger, fox, wolf and others. Wild animals get their food by hunting. Animals that hunt have strong legs to run, sharp claws to catch and sharp teeth to tear flesh. Nocturnals. Some animals search for their food only at night. They hide in burrows to escape from big animals. In desert areas, the desert lizards, rats, etc. live in burrows to escape the extremely high temperature in the day and come out at night for food. Animals depend on other animals. Animals that have specialized body parts such as mouth parts, hands or feet that help them collecting or capturing their food most efficiently. Food chain. To maintain a balance in nature, animals follow their food habits. In a pond, we can see that eggs and larvae are eaten by fish and frogs. Fish and frogs are food for a crane. Food chain. Connection between animals on the basis of their food habits. Food chain explains the interdependence of diverse organisms in nature. It is the food chains form a web where one animal depends more than one source and type of food. By using pesticides and insecticides to protect crops, every year a large number of frogs die by eating poisoned insects. We should save nature.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.